Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to convert a saree into a western dress without cutting or stitching it.
I've been painting every fence I know, every color pleasing to the same. 'Cause before you go and walk away, yeah, you better know where you're going. Hey, yeah, you're a wanderer just like me. Hey, yeah, you better know where you're going. I've been painting every fence I know, every color pleasing to the same. 'Cause before you go and walk away, yeah, you better know where you're going. You're a wanderer just like me. Yeah, you better know where you're going.
So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comments below what you want to see in my next video. Until then, bye.